In 1927, NRF was founded in the bustling streets of Amsterdam. We are proud of our long history. Let's see where we are today. NRF is a leading supplier of automotive aftermarket parts and industrial cooling solutions. Our 9 locations are strategically positioned in the Netherlands, Poland, France, Spain, Italy, and Romania. The entire NRF team consists of more than 500 dedicated professionals. Impressive, right? But that's just the beginning. NRF is a market leader in the automotive aftermarket. Our range includes more than 12,000 engine cooling and climate control parts. At the same time, we are rapidly developing beyond cooling to offer a complete portfolio. And as the automotive landscape evolves, so do we. NRF is already a recognized e-mobility supplier. Our technical knowledge is exceptional. We ensure the high-quality standards of our products in our own testing and development centers. Besides that, we also have the goal of sharing our expertise. Our technical trainers go to workshops every day, providing education and training on the latest trends and developments. Another key area of our business is industrial. At several locations in Europe, we design, manufacture, and test our products. We specialize in the marine and railway sectors, where we also offer remanufacturing and repair services. In addition, we manufacture cooling solutions for other industrial applications, like power generators and off-highway vehicles. NRF combines a tailored approach with fast lead times. Our team is more than a group of individuals. We are a close-knit community, driven by cooperation and fueled by passion. With many growth opportunities to empower yourself, at NRF, you start your day with a smile and leave feeling fulfilled. A great place to work. Do you want to empower your business? Think orange and choose the reliable parts of NRF. Oh, and don't forget to follow us on social media to stay updated on our latest developments.